The Sodus Bay community is still reaping the benefits of the SOS-supported wetlands restoration project. This drone video provided by Brian Bushnell clearly shows the improvements at the south end of the bay. In 2016, Save Our Sodus contributed $10,000 towards the $362,000 project, co-funded with the Nature Conservancy and New York State Department of Environmental Conservation. The goal? To equally distribute the water throughout the wetlands. As you can see, pools and diversion channels create sanctuary for waterfowl and breeding opportunities for various game fish. Prior to these improvements, the thread of the main stream had hardened and gone unchanged for decades, limiting the wetland's value to the ecosystem. Samples taken upstream and at Bay Bridge show improved water quality. We encourage you to get out and enjoy these wetlands and witness for yourself the positive effects to waterfowl and fish. The wetland areas are critical to the health and welfare of the bay. The areas that they occupy are confined by uplands and development of the bayshore by humans. Therefore, they must be maintained. Save Our Sodus is committed to this work.